Hello, and welcome to Empowered Learning. This video will show how to construct a confidence interval for a population mean by using StatCrunch. So if we look here, we see that we're asked to construct a confidence interval for a population mean where we're giving the confidence interval level. We're also given what the sample mean is, which is 15.3. We're given what the population standard deviation is, which is 9.0, and we're given the sample size, which is n equals 55. Since n is 30 or more, we are assuming that this is going to be a normal distribution. So when we go into StatCrunch, and I already have it pulled up here, what we're going to do is basically do a calculation for this using a z statistic. So to do that, we'll go to Stat, and then from here we'll go to z-stats, and then one sample, and then since we have a summary of everything, we'll go to with summary. From here we just type in our sample mean, which will be 15.3. We'll also type in our population standard deviation, which is 9.0. Our sample size is 55, and for here we're not doing an hypothesis test, we're doing a confidence interval, and that will be at 0.98. And so then we just compute, and we see that we have our sample size, sample mean, our standard of error, and then our lower and upper limits. So this is the E that you see in your formula sheets, and this is the lower limit and the upper limit. And of course, essentially what this number is the 15.3 minus 1.21, so on and so forth. And 15.3 plus this number here is what the 18.123162 is. Okay, so what we need to do here is just now type in what we have. So here we're just asked to type this in and round to one decimal place. So we had 12.47, so on and so forth, which rounds to 12.5. And then for the other one, I think we had 18.12, and we'll just round it off to 18.1. And we see that we get the correct answer. So this concludes how to construct a confidence interval using StatCrunch.